People are asking you, is it difficult to play the French horn with the feet? And I'm always answering, I don't know, I never played it with hands, so I can't compare, maybe. Everyone thinks, oh, it should be so difficult to do this with your feet. And the funny thing about this is I'm thinking the same with you. I can't really understand how you can hold a pencil with these long fingers because, you know, the coordination is so difficult. The thing I can remember really is that I wanted to play exactly this instrument and nothing else. Where I've seen it and how I get the first time in contact with this instrument, it's yeah, I can't remember. Even if people around you are saying this is not possible, it is difficult, but sometimes it is. It could be a wonderful result to go your own way and to live your dreams and to do what you think which makes you happy.